Hi, my name's Hannah Ralston. I'm part of the group Conscious Cultivators. I'm 23 years old and I live and will be working in Apache Junction, Arizona. I am participating in the Starbucks College Achievement Plan and I've been a partner since January. I'm really excited to be going back to school. One of my goals is to become a forest ranger for a national park, and I think getting a degree in sustainability will help me in the right direction. In my spare time, I like to read, go hiking, and right now I'm working on a garden. The topic of industrial agriculture interests me because food is one of the most important aspects in the longevity of the human species. Our agricultural systems not only affect human systems, but it also has an impact on our biogeochemical cycles, specifically the hydrologic, phosphorus, and nitrogen cycles. I think it's really important that we start paying even more attention to our impact on these cycles because changes to these cycles can affect surrounding and even distant ecosystems, such as the ocean. I also chose this topic because I'm hoping to learn more about how we can incorporate both commercial practices and organic farming in production of our food. So I'm excited to learn the process of analyzing wicked problems, and hopefully this will help me to make a positive impact on my surroundings in the future.
Hey everyone, my name is Jonathan. I'm originally from California, but I'm currently living in Seattle, Washington. Like many others in this group, I'm a Starbucks employee currently enrolled in ASU Online through the College Achievement Program. I'm finishing up my sophomore year in the Urban Planning program, but I'm considering switching to a business degree with a concentration in sustainability. The topic of industrial agriculture piqued my interest because I was born in the Salinas Valley, which is referred to as the salad bowl of America. It's often stated that if you're eating some sort of vegetable, especially salad greens, it probably came from the Salinas area. I grew up very familiar with the agriculture industry. The area that my family's from is surrounded by endless farms which take up huge plots of land. After taking a few sustainability courses, I've become concerned with the amount of resources that are consumed through farming and the way that fertilizer use and waste output is affecting the environment. The world's population is increasing at an exponential rate. It's imperative that we find a solution to our current unsustainable farming practices. Our group, which we have decided to call the Conscious Cultivators, defines sustainability as an educated allocation and usage of the Earth's finite resources in such a way that doesn't produce unnecessary negative impact to the environment. We also believe that we should operate with respect to the delicate ecosystem that exists on this planet. Or in other words, we should become less anthropocentric and more biocentric. We seem to have come to a consensus that we're concerned with intergenerational equity. Our actions in the current day should not create problems for the future inhabitants of this earth. Our efforts should be focused on ensuring an equal standard of living for all.
Hi there, my name is Gabrielle Turton. I'm part of the Conscious Cultivators group. Our topic is industrial agriculture. I'm 21 years old. I was born and raised and still currently live in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I'm a shift supervisor at Starbucks, taking advantage of the Starbucks College Achievement Plan here at ASU. This is my sophomore year of college, my first course here at ASU, and my first online-oriented course that I've ever taken. I'm interested in industrial agriculture mostly because of the production and means of production that go with industrial agriculture, like the use of antibiotics and pesticides, and how that affects the environment and our health, how we consume those things most of the time unknowingly. I'm interested in sustainability overall for the rapid growth of our population and our consumption, and how that's surpassed Earth's carrying capacity and how that is continuing to grow, and we need to mitigate those issues and reduce our footprint. Our group uses the GroupMe app to stay in contact. We plan to meet once a week at least. We shared contact information and the best times to reach each other, and I think that's going to work very well for a prosperous group and work for us for the rest of the semester.
Hello, my name is Isaiah Ari. I'm a 25-year-old Starbucks shift supervisor, and I live in Eugene, Oregon. I've been a Starbucks partner for 2 years, and I enjoy hiking, bicycling, gardening, reading, and just being outside and enjoying the environment. Sustainability and specifically industrial agriculture interests me because I live in the Willamette Valley of Oregon, which is one of the best farming valleys in the country. And so I have access to a lot of local and organic produce. Another reason that I'm interested in industrial agriculture is because it affects so many aspects of our lives, and it really can impact other wicked problems, at least from what I've seen and what I believe. I also try to eat local and organic produce. And I try not to eat a lot of meat because I'm aware of the effects that industrial agriculture has on the environment. So that's one of the biggest reasons that I'm really interested in studying that, as well as the pesticides and water runoff that's associated with the means of production for industrial agriculture. And so for our group, how we're going to be sharing documents is we're using Google Drive to create Word documents to share. It's how we're creating our PowerPoint slides. And it's a very useful tool so we can see what everyone's doing and we're able to keep tabs on each other's work. And in addition to using Google Documents for our document sharing, we also use the app GroupMe to chat and to keep in communication with each other.
Hello everyone, my name is Claudia Vasquez and I'm from Simi Valley, California, where I will be completing my assignments for the duration of this course. I'm 22 years old and I work at a doggy daycare called Camp Bow Wow. I'm a huge animal lover and I also like to practice yoga and meditation in my free time. My interest in industrial agriculture stems from my previous employment at a vegan restaurant where I had the opportunity to learn extensively about our current food system, especially in terms of animal agriculture. I took on a vegan lifestyle when I realized the many impacts that industrial agriculture poses on human health, animals, and the environment. All the while, industrial agriculture has increased efficiency through biotechnology, science, and engineering. That productivity has come along with social and ecological ramifications all around the world. I'm particularly interested in food justice, the ethics of how our food gets to our plates, and how workers in the agribusiness are affected by this model. The driving forces behind industrial agriculture, such as capitalism and globalization, have far reaching consequences that involve many stakeholders, which is why I wanted to do more research about this particularly wicked problem. To ensure that everyone in our group is equally contributing, our project manager has taken the time to assign specific tasks for everyone. We have ongoing communication through our GroupMe mobile app, where we can check in regularly, even daily if necessary, to make certain that all group members are adhering to deadlines for their fair share of each assignment. We make each other aware of specific deadlines through the GroupMe app so that there is ample time for revision and input from other team members. By holding one another accountable through ongoing communication and setting personal deadlines, we can make sure that everyone in the group is equally contributing their fair share.